you guys, I'm back with another haul video. I can't wait to show you what I got today. All are starting from 400 and just 400 to 600 in the budget range, and also all are the dupes of Myntra and Amazon kurtis. In Myntra and Amazon, which I compared the price, it was nearly like a 200 rupees of gap of for the every kurta which I got today. And I'm not sure what kind of material they used in their product, but the products which I got today, that is going to blow your mind. The quality is such an amazing. To be very honest, whenever I see the price range and the collections of Meesho, I really feel it is so good. So I literally bought so many clothes from Meesho till today, and I am not even kidding. Like, I am not even going back from Meesho. Like, if you go for Meesho once, it is like always Meesho. I literally shop from other applications too. When the price or collection is not there in the Meesho, then only I'll go for Amazon or Myntra. If the collections are there in Meesho, then definitely it is Meesho. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So all these kurtas are going to be like a comfortable wear for your office and for your regular wear. To be very honest, I loved each and every pieces this time. I'm not going to return any of them. First and foremost is this one. This is surely comfortable. Like, after doing the unpack video, I literally couldn't wait to wear each and everything to check them out, the quality. So Meesho never disappoints me. So this is the first one. Print and the length is so perfect. Length, color and the fit is so perfect. I am under the size of S. You can go for any other size. It has size till XL. Length of the pant, if you are taller than me, I'm not sure whether it is going to fit or not, but for the I am in the height of 5.5. I'll just size up for ethnic wears, but for western wear though I always prefer for extra small. So the length of the pant and the length of the top is so good, and the size is going to fit me perfectly. I'm going to style and show you how exactly it looks on me. I really cannot wait to style up all these pieces for my office wear regularly. So the second one is this one. This is the 3-set piece. Salwar kameez set. This is not the kurta, not the cord one. The color which I really wanted to get for myself is purple, because I do not have any kurta which is in this color. Yes, I do not have any kurta in this color. So as soon as I saw this, and the V-neck is literally trending these days, so I really wanted to try this. So when I bought this, I was literally happy with the quality. These are cotton made, so definitely you can wear it in any occasion. Seriously, can you believe this came under like 600 rupees? Like, literally the price range to Meesho. I loved it. The detailing of it is so gorgeous, and these are like just perfect. The pants are in a pencil pant. It is the broader than the pencil pant, and in the pant too you have the detailing here. So first and very important thing whenever I wear salwar suit is the dupatta, because if dupatta is very soft and flowy, I feel so good throughout the day. Like, I do not feel irritated. So if it is other than this material, what material it is, I don't know, it is like a very soft material. So I really loved it. I am very content. So this is the second product which I love it. I can't wait to show you guys how I'm going to style it, everything. So the third one is my absolutely favorite. This is the, seriously I'm saying, can you believe I got it for under 600? Like, look at it. The quality though, it is so good. Let me check the price. I'm getting doubt like whether it is under. Seriously, this one I got it for 670 rupees. Seriously, man, this is so good. Like this just feels like I got it from some Libas or something. I don't know which brand it belongs to also. And these are so good. This is also under a V-neck, which I really love. The V-neck though, now it is trending and it looks, it makes you slimmer and it also makes you look good. So this is the anarkali set I got. I didn't observe it, but look at this details. I really loved all these kinds of detailings. Anarkali means it has to be completely filled, right, like a frock, but this anarkali doesn't have that. It has a slit here. The white with green color and the red design that makes it so brighter. And also, can you see the tiny details here? Seriously, man, I didn't even notice when I was doing the unboxing video. So good, yeah. This is the Pakka Paisa Vasool Kurta set from my side. Same pant, which is like this, like not so broad, not so small. It is a straight pant. So all these having a straight pant except this one. This is like, yeah, this is also straight pant. So that is really good. So the fourth one is my absolute favorite. Don't think like I'm saying everything is my favorite. Absolutely. Cotton kurtas are my absolute favorite things. Like whenever I wear kurta, it should be comfortable for me because I wear kurtas for my office, means I have to be a comfortable person throughout the day. So I should not be like adjusting, it is so tight. No, it should be like so comfortable for me. So all these are my favorites. And the last and final product is the print of it. No, so I really love the print and detailings. Just can you see the print? This is absolutely gorgeous prints. So it has the neck detailings also. Now this is also V-neck. Don't tell me that I'm obsessed with V-neck. I am completely into these. So gorgeous, yeah. Amazon and Myntra also you're going to find the similar products, but the price range too, no. The quality also good. If the quality is not good, then definitely you can think, yeah, Myntra is good or Amazon. But the quality here also it is good. Then why to go for any other brands? I'm saying you. And in pant also it has the same details. Same details as it's shown in the neck. So, and the length and everything is so perfect for me. As I have already told you, I am under height of 5.5. So think about it before buying it, in what height you, and you can even adjust it or alter it with your nearby trailer by giving the length and all. This is all about today's video, guys. I hope you really loved the video as much as I did while creating it. So let me know in a comment below what you guys really think about it. See you in my next video. Bye.